I had a case, we resolved the case, and the other lawyer said to me, "It was a pleasure working on the case with you, but I hope I never have to do it again." It becomes hard in this line of work, but it's important to be humble. It's important to be respectful. And that goes also to your opponents. It's a fight, but it ought to be a fair fight. But I think you can fight without being mean and without being arrogant. We have a responsibility to the client to make sure that this is about them and it's not about me. That's the kind of lawyer that I want to be. I was born in St. Louis, Missouri. It's part of who I am. It's my fabric. You grow up middle class, you can see the top, you can see the bottom. As a young man, I got kind of lucky. I had some people look out for me and take me under their wing, and they were lawyers. And I was immediately hooked. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but when my grandfather was killed, he was run over by a car, I felt like this is where I belonged. I knew that this was a place where I could help people. I'm thankful that the people in this community cared about me, and now it's time for me to give that back. I don't think a jury cares how much you know until they know how much you care. The relationship that you have with a client, it's like any other relationship in life. And if you're gonna take a case and you're gonna spend time with another person for a year, maybe 2, maybe 3, however long it takes to get the job done, you better care about them. More often than not, I can't erase what happened to somebody. I suffered an injury and they're not going to get better, and it's only a matter of, how do we manage it? We can't put a loved one back at the dinner table with their parents. There is a tremendous amount of responsibility that you get when a client trusts you with something that's going to change their life. Their life's already been changed by an injury or a death, but they're trusting you to do a job for them that's going to impact the rest of their life. The client gets the absolute best effort every day and for as long as it takes. Your job as a lawyer is intense. Practicing law with people that you know have the same values, that care about others, that care about justice, that care about fairness, makes the job easier when you do get into the thick of the fight at trial. If I wasn't doing this, I have no idea what I would do in my life. I don't think that there's any other job that I could do that I would ever be good at. This is, the only thing for me, especially now that you have people that rely on you to give it 110% every day, and I love it. I love being able to give the people the opportunity for justice. I'm Andrew Mundwiller. I'm a trial attorney at the Cagle law firm in St. Louis, Missouri. We specialize in personal injury and wrongful death.